Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Latina PhD. My name is Karla Medina. I am a first generation graduate student in a biology PhD program. I'm a third year in my program where I'm studying chromatin biology using physics-based modeling approaches and optics to understand how the 3D organization of our genome actually relates to differences in gene expression outputs. A long fancy way to say that I basically relate how our genomes are packed and organized in their structure within the tiny 10 micrometer size of our cells or 8 micrometer size of our nuclei, and see how this actually help to produce differences in the different cell types that we see, and specifically in cancer cells or cancer stem cells. So I wanted to share that I'm very excited to be here, a little nervous about it too, but nonetheless, it's been a long time coming. I started this channel at the beginning of my PhD program back in 2021. I wanted to be able to increase the awareness and share what scientist actually looks like, because we come in all different shapes and colors, and essentially wanted to emphasize Latinos or Latinx students that are here in STEM graduate programs. So across the US, only about 7% of all students that are in a graduate program, and specifically STEM graduate program, are Hispanics or Latinos. So it gets very difficult, or it can be very challenging to see yourself as a leader in the sciences or to see yourself represented. But nonetheless, we're here, we're mighty, we're strong, we're bright, we're brilliant, we're beautiful. And I wanted to be able to share that. Please stay tuned to learn about what it's like to be a part of a grad program, what it's like living in Chicago, what it's like being in grad school, what it's like being far away from home, or if you'd like to see any bit of like what my life looks like as a STEM graduate student, please stay tuned for more. I want to give a brief background into who I am and what I'm all about, and so I wanted to share that I'm a California native. So I grew up in San Diego, California. I did my undergraduate work at California State University, San Marcos, so woohoo to small schools. And then I went off to a much bigger school for my master's, where I earned this in cell molecular biology and emphasized in stem cell biology. So I did this at San Francisco State University, and my research at University of California, San Francisco. Very, very excited. And then after applying and getting accepted into a PhD program here at Northwestern University, I trickled my way cross country to Chicago, Illinois, where now I am doing my thesis work on what I just talked about. And basically, I'm very excited to be here, learning all things of what it's like to live out here in Chicago, what it's like living out on my own, what it's like being far away from it, and all that good stuff too. It gets to be lonely sometimes, but I know I'm definitely not alone. I know my family is very proud of me, so are my friends too, and I feel very well supported now, also having formulated a community here. And just wanted to share and emphasize what those realities actually look like. So I want to be able to create more content that showcases that and allow you guys to see what my life looks like inside and outside. So behind the scenes, at the front lines of it, I'm very happy to share what it's like, what it looks like, what kind of the challenges that you kind of face, and sometimes like what those obstacles are, but also ways to combat them and overcome them too, so that way you can be successful in your journeys as well. Stay tuned. If you'd like to support my channel or like to see any more of this content, please don't forget to hit subscribe. I would really appreciate that. But nonetheless, and you don't have to too, so it's okay, but nonetheless, please stay tuned for more. I'm very happy that you're here and that you watched this video. Bye.